My skin responded immediately to the skin smoothing benefits of Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. I'm talking immediate hydration and plumping of the skin. And here are the 4 things that you need to know about this product. 1, the texture is so rich and nourishing without feeling weighty or heavy. I have very oily skin, so a huge challenge for my skincare is to get the hydration, to get the moisture without feeling heavy or icky or sticky, and this product delivers in that category. The number 2 thing that you need to know is that this cream contains hyaluronic acid. And why is that important? It's important because hyaluronic acid binds moisture to the skin. What does that mean? That means that your skin is going to be really hydrated, nourished, and plump. The number 3 thing that you need to know is what kind of dramatic effect or result can you expect to see in using this product? Well, the most dramatic effect I saw was the softening around my smile line and a little bit of an increase in the dehydration around my forehead. These are the 2 areas where I kind of get a little bit of wrinkling when my skin is dehydrated, and in using this product for day and night, I noticed an improvement in my dehydration lines on my forehead and an improvement around my smile line. The 4th and final thing that you need to know about this product is that it is amazing for both daytime and evening use. So that means you can use it in the morning for daytime. It works beautifully and seamlessly and flawlessly under your makeup. It will not interfere with your primer or your sunscreen. And then for the evening, it works beautifully as well to keep your skin nice and nourished and hydrated while you sleep. Your pillow will not be an icky, sticky mess. In the morning, you will wake up with glowy, healthy skin. There you have it, everything you need to know about why I love Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Cream.